Pumpkin seeds are highly nutritious, packed with powerful antioxidants. They are a great source of magnesium, iron, and zinc, and are a great non-animal source of protein. Flax seeds are another superfood, very high in omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats that benefit the heart. This is what I like to call a dump recipe. Add all your ingredients to a mixing bowl. Only add the salt if your butter is unsalted. If you don't have all three of these spices, just double up on one of the others. Eat them for breakfast, pack them for a midday snack. Remember, these are high in protein and low in sugar. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. More recipes are on the way.